Hi guys! In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to do the perfect scrambled eggs. First, we start by getting ourselves a nice whole wheat ciabatta bread that I'm gonna slice in two and toast. This way, the butter, you don't put too much butter. Now you toast the soft side of the bread. Once it's brown, you just put it aside on your plate and start with the eggs. I'm gonna be using 3 organic, free-range chicken eggs, and I'm gonna separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Add a pinch of salt to the egg whites and a pinch of salt to the egg yolks, and start by mixing the egg whites. Now in the frying pan, put a little bit of butter, we let it heat up, and we're gonna start by cooking the egg whites before putting in the egg yolks. So the whole idea is to cook the egg whites and just heat the egg yolks. This is how you get the shiny, glossy finish on the scrambled eggs. So once we get to that, we turn off the heat, remove the pan from the heat, and simply add the yolks just to heat them up. And now you just serve it on the bread, and you let only the egg whites heat without overcooking them. This is exactly the shininess you're looking for. To that, you just add a little bit of freshly crushed black pepper, and you finish it off with a little bit of chives. That's it. I'm gonna take my grandma's approval on this. Anna? So there goes my favorite breakfast. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video.